Hey, it's Cody here. I want to thank you so much for diving into the Systems Accelerator Manager. I affectionately call it Sam, and hopefully by the end of this, you will too. Today, we're going to be diving into the settings area, and we're going to be building out our profile. Now, I know no one likes to spend a lot of time in the settings. What it's going to unlock for you is the ability to create custom resources inside the system. Let's go ahead and let's dive into it together, and we'll get through this really quickly. On the left-hand side, I've clicked the settings area. You're going to see three different specific areas of settings: the profiles, the integrations, and then your account settings. Today, we're going to be focusing on the profile settings. Once you're in your profile settings, you're going to see three areas: company, brokerage, and team. When you click the company, you're going to be able to see that you can fill out all of your different company information. Now, fill out as much as you can, as much as you'd like, and go ahead and keep going through the different sections. Once you have all these pieces filled out, we're going to go ahead and move into the team section. And believe it or not, we're actually almost done with this. Once we go into the team section, right now, you're probably only going to have a single team member. I'm assuming that this is a trial, but if for some reason you're revisiting this, you're going to have available team members based on your different plans. So clicking into your team member, you're going to be able to add your member name, member role, address, email address, phone number, website, ID, and then your member niche. This is a really important first step because your member niche is the area of real estate you focus in. Now, let's say, like I do, focus on several different areas of real estate. It's not a problem. Go ahead and separate those with a semicolon, and you can add as many of them as you need to. Now, after that, we're going to be looking at our member voice. This is the specific attributes of your writing style. And being able to define this is going to allow Sam to really hone in on creating resources that sound like you. And this is going to pay off in a great way in just a little bit. So there are two ways you can go about this. The first way would be for you to go through this list and choose the ones that you find would best suit your writing style. If for some reason you think that's really tricky, you can also go over to this Analyze Content button and upload a document that has a writing sample. Now, at that point, Sam's going to be able to create that list of writing attributes specifically for you. I find a lot of people really enjoy the fact that the system's able to really highly tune in on their specific writing style. So pick which one you prefer. After that, you can define your member service area, additional information. You can go ahead and add specific merge field. From here, go ahead and click the save button up on the top right, and you are ready to go. Just like that, we're done with our profile settings. Okay, so that one's a pretty quick one, but like I said, there's a lot of power in building out your settings appropriately. We're going to be diving into the integrations a little bit later, but for now, getting your profile built out, giving as much information as you can possibly give is going to allow Sam to be able to understand a little bit more about you so that it can help you create really cool things. Tomorrow, we're going to be diving into creating our first resource, which is going to allow us to bring leads into our business and start engaging with them and turning them into engaged leads and hopefully customers.